Hey guys, Rachel here, and I'm going to show you a destination with 2 bedrooms. It is a PUMA. I love PUMA. I love their interior design, and I think you will too, but I do want to know if you do or not. So let's go through this destination, or some people call it a tiny home. Let's go through it, and then you guys let me know what you think of it. But let's start from the outside and go in. Our PUMA Forest River 2025 Model 39DBT. We've got, let's see, 3 slides on this side. It is a tankless water heater, so that on-demand water heater. You've got a nice long awning, 2 doors, one being a slide, which is really, I really like the slide. I mean, not slide. A glass sliding door. There we go. And you got speakers out here as well. But let's take a look inside. All right. So another reason why I like PUMA is I like their, like I said, interior design. I love white wood. It just brightens things up. And it makes it look a little bit more spacious as well. So we have our table and chairs. So if for whatever reason you didn't need the table and chairs, you can move it out of the way. Or if you've got a ton of people coming, you've got chairs, and you can still move the table out of the way so that you can make room. It just gives you that option to make more room if you needed it. We've got a beautiful, I love this couch. It is super comfy. I mean, I'm sure you can tell. It's just super comfy, but it's got cup holders on each side. I love it. And more than likely, it does turn into a bed. We've got storage right above it as well. And you got little charger over here. So really close. I really like that the color as well. It matches perfectly with the rest of this interior design. You got your entertainment over here. A big TV can fit there. You got your fireplace and your soundbar and a little cubby as well right here. Over here we have our beautiful kitchen area. Now, first of all, I love these hard top surfaces. It's beautiful, nice and hard, and then you do have this really big sink, which is great. I love the big sinks. Right over here, you got your 4-burner, a nice big oven and stove. It's really nice. Microwave above it, and then tons of storage on the side and down below. I believe we have, yes, you've got more storage over here as well. Ton of space in here. It's really nice. And then I don't know if you noticed that you do have a fan in here. Really, I love when I see a fan because I always have my fan on. But we have a beautiful black backsplash, and then you do have some countertop space over here as well with more storage below right there. And then we got more storage above the refrigerator, which, by the way, this refrigerator is giant. Plenty of space in here to put all your goods. A nice big freezer as well. And then you do have more storage or pantry area right here. So since we're already over here, we're gonna go right through one of these bedrooms. So look at, first of all, look how big this is. You got a lot of space because it's in a slide, so it gives you a lot more space. You've got cubbies on the side. You got storage above and a beautiful, there's a window back there. I absolutely love when I love a window in the bedroom because you can open it up and it's just going to give you so much natural light. You've got a little dresser over here and a closet. There you go. just a lot of space here for your clothes, and then you can put your entertainment here, or you can put it up there as well, whichever you prefer. But the space in here is really, really nice. Then through this door, you do have your own bathroom. So we've got a nice bathroom, which you can do all the things in here. You're not going to be squished. You got some more storage right in here. And then right behind, we do have a nice big shower. Love the little window in here as well. All right, let's go to the other side. You have a beautiful curtain over this sliding glass door. I absolutely love this curtain. And I love the black doors. So white and black. I love that wood color. I don't know why, but it's my favorite. All right, so this is the other bathroom. Nice and big, plus it does have a seating area on it, or right there. And then you have a beautiful, the rest of the bathroom is just really, really nice. You've got storage in here as well, and just plenty of space to do your thing. Right here, we've got our other bedroom. Now this is gonna be considered the master bedroom, and you've got a lot of space in here. So of course, it is in a slide. So you've got cubbies on the corners. You've got storage up above. You've got a little dresser right here, and you do have a door to your room. You've got more storage right over here, and it goes down, which is really nice. Some more here. And then you do have the washer and dryer. Now, for whatever reason, if you did not need a washer dryer, then you do have another closet in here. But it is really nice to have a washer and dryer whenever, especially when this is a destination, a tiny home, you're going to be living in it. You know, it's really, really nice to have that option. All right, guys, I want to know what you think. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Of course, call, text, email, come see me, ask for Rachel, but would love to help you out. The space in here is wonderful. This is a beautiful unit, and the price is extremely low. In fact, it's under $50,000. Let me see, it's $48,988. I mean, this just a great price. They just dropped it. So again, let me know what you think, and until next time.